Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to Lato's Kitchen. Do you love desserts? Today I'll show you how to make a custard cream trifle made with Lato milk and Lato vanilla flavored milk. Let's get started. To make our custard cream trifle, we need to make first the custard cream. The ingredients for the custard creams are 250 ml of vanilla flavored milk, 5 egg yolks, 6 tablespoons of sugar, and 250 ml of Lato milk. So the first thing is to mix the egg yolks and the sugar in a bowl. So once that is done, we'll now place our milk in a pot. This custard is supposed to be a vanilla flavored custard, and we're getting the flavor from the flavored milk. To the vanilla flavored milk, we are adding 250 ml of Lato whole milk. So we'll bring it to a boil, just under boiling, and then we'll add it to our eggs mixture. So when milk is almost boiling, you don't want it to start boiling, you just want it just under boiling. I will pour it into the egg mixture, then whisk. What you're doing is heating up the egg, and you don't want it to heat up too fast, and that's why you're adding little by little. If the milk is too hot, what will happen is that the egg yolks will start cooking and become like scrambled egg. So you're just introducing the heat to the eggs like that. And now we pour the egg mixture to the and be careful that you don't have too high heat. It usually takes about 5 minutes on low heat. So it's been about 4 minutes, and you know it's ready by when it coats. When you do this with your finger, the mixture should not come back to the center. That means it's thick enough. And at this stage, what I will do is transfer it to a clean bowl for cooling. It should have the consistency of yogurt. I'll put it to cool down, and then I'll assemble my trifle. Our custard cream is now cooled down. If you want to make it cool faster, you can stir it the way I'm doing it. And now to assemble it into a trifle, we need some cake. Here I have a vanilla cake, raspberries. You can also use strawberries or blueberries or even some apples. So how you bring it together is to put some cake first, like that. You can even have layers whereby you have a layer of cake like that, then a layer of berries like that, and then the custard. And then maybe another layer of cake. So that's it. A custard cream is usually vanilla flavored, and like I said, with our Lato twist we're using the vanilla flavored milk. It gives that rich vanilla flavor that you actually don't need the vanilla essence or vanilla pods. I've been your host, Chef Raphael. See you next time on Lato's Kitchen. Goodbye.